Moist app, let's see how to use our new app. First of all, download it. Moist app is available for iOS, iPad OS and Android. Search it on your smartphone store and click download button. Once the download is finished, open Moist app. Allow the use of Bluetooth, this is essential for the app to work. Now let's move on to Moist True. Check that the Bluetooth symbol is flashing at the top of the screen. If not, Bluetooth must be turned on. Press and hold the right green arrow to access the menu. Now scroll with the lower arrow to the settings. Right-click to confirm. Scroll to Bluetooth and click to turn it on or off. Now click the left red arrow to go back. Moist True is now ready to pair. Now let's go back to Moist app. Click the device search button. Your Moist True will automatically be detected and then connected. You are now ready to measure. Connect the meter to its accessories to view the result in real time. By connecting the humidity sensor, a dedicated screen will appear. Now let's see the features of the app. Click on the top right to manually change the language. Let's see now how to create a new archive. Click on the archive button to access the list. Click the plus button above and add a name and description to locate it easily. Then click Add. From now on, the archive highlighted in blue will indicate where Moist True will save the next measurements. Now let's see how to save a measurement. Super easy, click on the Save button and add a remark if you want. Now let's see where your measurement was stored. Click on the selected archive and the click to expand for more details. Click on the Download button to download it in CSV format. Once the measurement is complete, you can disconnect the Moist True by clicking on the dedicated button at the top. The operation of Moist app with the humidity sensor connected is the same, but the dedicated screen will present different and specific data. Thanks for following this video. Are you ready to expand the functionality of your Moist True? Download Moist app now.